Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am making Gajar ka halwa. So let's get started. First of all, take carrot and grate it. As you see, I have grated all the carrot. In a pan, add grated carrot, 2 tablespoons of ghee, fried for 5 minutes. Cover it and cook for 5 minutes. Open the lid and mix it. Now pour milk. Mix it. Cover it and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. Now add sugar. You can see sugar is melting. Add crushed cardamom. Add some pistachio and cashew. Give it a good mix. And halwa is ready. I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.